Updating your payout information on Magento Commerce is essential for ensuring that your transactions are processed correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Magento Commerce account by entering your username and password. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to update payout information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal and financial information. Step 3. Select Payout Information. In the account settings, find the option labeled Payout Information or Payment Settings. Click on it to view your current payout details. Step 4. Update your details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use iStroke to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout information, make sure to click the Save button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout information on Magento Commerce. Regularly check your settings to ensure your information remains accurate and up to date.